see what Drake's up to. What the hell is going on?
Hi guys.
Where did all these doors come from?
This is 192. This is from this one. This is from another one.
What?
Okay.
What's up? We're the parts guys. We're missing Jacob because it's a school night. But, you know...
Jacob's got to go to school.
Yeah,
Does he
you
go to
know...
school?
No, he don't go to school.
Oh, okay. He works, so yeah.
We got jobs too, but we're... Whatever! We're here, he's not. I'm sorry, Jake. We'll see you next time. So, we got... Actually, I don't know. I just showed up and Drake's got all these doors all over the place. So, I guess he's got some plans for the mullet marrow.
I got like...
Look
I
at
got
that
3
blue door.
Camaro
That blue
set
door
of doors in here. So, but yeah.
Alright, well, I guess, I don't know what we're really going to do, but I'm assuming it has something to do with doors.
Doors.
So break on through to the other side! Okay.
I'm getting to work.
Okay, I guess Drake's going to get to work. I might keep singing to you guys. I don't know. I don't really know any other Doors songs. Ah! Fuck. Okay, I guess it's time to work. Yes, our plan is we're going to take this door off, get rid of it. A pretty door over here. It's all nice and blue and whatnot. It'll match the car perfectly. You see how it's all blue? Yeah, that'll match great. But anyways, it's got a door panel and a window and a mirror and all
Stuff
that.
that we didn't have.
Everything we didn't have. Exactly. So, we're going to throw this thing on the car, and in the process of taking this door off, we're going to go ahead and finish the sills. So, we'll stop water from coming in and all that good stuff, and we got weather stripping, and yeah, we're going to make it like, what? Like a car?
Yeah. God damn it, Dan. That's the one you hear the most.
Oh my god. I thought that was my name the first 5 years of my life.
Damn it, Dan.
Damn it, Daniel.
Man, you brought up the full first name extension real quick.
Oh, you want me to do something?
Yeah, you need to do something for once.
Oh, shit. There you go.
No, extension.
Oh, fine.
For a ratchet.
I'm on the other side.
I'm gonna guess. Fuck, I can't remember.
What size was the other side, Drake?
It's up there. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Alright, so everybody, so an update. We got the 2 bottom screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them, on the inside. Dan took one out on the top so far, broke the other 2 loose. He's trying to see if he can get the 3rd one from right here.
Well, the door's off. God damn it, Drake. Sitting there. Oh, yeah. It's not just going to drop when you take that bolt out. It'll be fine. It'll be okay.
Alright, no, I gotta take that real quick. In my defense, right? I was pulling on the door, so technically what it did is it fell towards me. So I was trying to help get the bolt out.
Drake's gonna finish trying to get the sill in, the little strip sill, keep the rain out, blah, 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 blah. That was missing. Whatever. So, he's working on it. We don't have a drill bit, nor a proper drill.
Well, we do.
Well,
But it's
go inside your house then.
oh, it's a real blower.
So you're gonna do things the hard way, really? This is the old man in me again. Why are we doing things the long way? Why is this taking so long?
No.
Cause what? You in my lawn? What are you doing in my lawn? What?
Can you hold this right here for me?
What?
God damn it, Dan.
Alright. You want me to do what?
Just hold that up like that.
Where your finger is?
Yeah, like right there.
Okay. What are you really trying to accomplish?
It's going.
That's the serious face. That's the serious face. Do it now. Did it work?
Yep, work.
Oh, see, that was so much quicker.
Sometimes
I don't
want
want
to
to hear
hurry,
it. I don't want to hear it, Drake.
you don't think about really the fastest thing to do. You just think about what's the closest thing.
So what you're telling me, for one, your logic is flawed, right?
Yeah.
So you're trying to do this quickly, right? So you're not going to use the tools that'll make it quick.
No, damn it, Dan.
See,
No, Dan. How about
again, this is old man coming out in me. Like, what are you doing, man? Come on. See,
Dan, what are you doing?
what? What do you mean? What am I doing?
Go get the stuff.
I don't
that's
want to do
over
that. Oh, shit. Why isn't it in the box?
The tube?
You need the tube? I'm coming!
I wasn't ready.
No.
Let me have it thing up.
You need it?
Yeah.
Alright, there you go.
What the hell, Dan? You almost hit me in the nuts.
Let's see, what are you using? What product are you using right now?
I'm using it very not the way it's supposed to be, but
yeah?
it's some 3M Black Super Weather Strip and Gasket Adhesive.
What was that? Gasket?
Gasket Adhesive. I said them both together, and then I said the word adhesive.
Alright, bro. Propane, man. Getting to you.
It is, man.
Alright, so is it the weather strip adhesive?
Yes, it's the weather
What?
strip.
Alright.
We're
So
finally getting there.
is it? Yeah, nice. Cool. So we got the sills in. We put the 3M on. Well, I don't know why I'm saying we, but Drake put the 3M on. Now he's going to stick this very, very brand new weather strip in there, you know. And you're going to see how well the 3M actually works. It's going to take this not so fantabulous rubber weather strip. It's going to make it look all like OEM and stuff. It's going to be crazy. Well, not really, but it's going to hold it in place, and that's the point. So, is this how you suggest to use it, Drake?
I suggest it if you're trying to make an old seal weatherproof again. Why not?
I got you. Well, I mean, so how long does that got to sit before it's good to go?
The guy said to basically hold it in place for the first few minutes so it can get tacky or whatever.
What's the problem, Drake? What happened?
I lift the door and it's not adjusted.
Okay. Yeah, okay, so we just, threw bolts in and we're like, you know what, screw it, we're in a hurry, let's just tighten this up, and drove it down, all that great crap, and we were like, yeah, we did it! And we go shut the door, and it goes, whoop, and it won't shut. So, here we are, great dude. We are going to adjust it. Check that out! What's that? That's a whole entire door with weather strip. Well, sort of. Yeah, it's actually complete weather strip. Check that out with drip sill. Fun. Yeah, Drake did some work. I assisted slightly. Good job, man. Door stuff. Anyways, look at that blue. That blue look good. Yeah. But other door's still off, as you see. We're probably going to call it quits on that tonight. But yeah, and it's really late.
Well, at least you got the seals on, one door on, all stuff is another door.
Yep.
And then after that, finish up the little bit of series like that.
Yeah, he did get a headliner. If you look up there, he already threw that in. That's pretty sweet.
It's getting there, guys. It's getting there. Alright, so everybody, this is how we're going to wrap up the video. We're going to at least let you know what products we use.
Yeah.
The black weather strip gasket adhesive.
Yeah.
For the seal. It makes it to where that old seal won't at least let as much water in, hopefully. None.
Hopefully it don't let any water in.
But either way, I used the old gasket, seal.
Yeah, whatever. It doesn't matter if it's a new seal, an old seal.
Use
it. Besides that, he threw the drip sills in. And those, before you screw them in, use the double-sided sticky tape, also the 3M molding tape, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so we used this today. So far it worked. That tacked super fast. It worked out just the way we wanted it.
But either way, guys, use this stuff. They're great products. And by the way,
woo! We're the parts guys!